Well, we've got a bit more now. I've got to go back down for it. I don't know what it is. Let's have a look. A couple of printers by the looks of it. I'll take them. I've got metal in them. A lot of people don't take them. I do. Bit of weight. Morning. Get on there. Let's go and get some more tack, guys. Right, and we'll get this load sorted out. See if my mic's on yet. Get this load sorted out, get it stacked up. Then we're going to be on our way, guys, and go see if we can get more tat. I'll show you this when it's stacked. Let's crack on. Right, guys. Just finished all that. All stacked. All stripped. Except for the cookers, I got the wires at the back of the cookers yet because I got my screwdriver on me and it's just too much to do here. So then we get done at the scrapyard. All the washing machines, microwaves, stripped. Ready to go. Let's go and get some more, guys. Catch you in a minute. Right, we got a bit more scrap here, guys. Couple of rads, I think.
It's not a YouTube vlog.
Thank you. Copper pipe and radiators. That ain't bad. Get on. Get more copper pipe. I'll take that stand. That's the good stuff. Right, so we'll go and get some more. Catch you in a minute. Ooh, we're driving up on something else here. Washing machine. Another one. It's my day today. And we on? Yes, we're on. Let's get my gloves. Washing machine and a radiator. Lovely, lovely stuff. God, I've had some machines today. Oh yes. Do you know, I done that bad yesterday. I come out this morning and I was feeling a bit miserable, if I'm honest, thinking, how am I going to fill this truck up today? And I tell you what, it's just coming and coming and coming. Which is great. Which is what I like. Motor still on it. Bonus. Radiator. You know what this is beginning to, like, yeah, this is what's this load coming to? It's coming to a mixed load because I've just chucked on another radiator. So hey, that's a mixed load. That's a good load. Bit of extra money. Loving it. Loving it. Truck's doing alright. The scrap's coming good. Can't be bad. Can't be bad at all. Well, when we're having this washer, shall I put it in that gap there? That'll be good, won't it? I can get it in that gap. Let's have that wire off straight away, eh? That's for another day, it is. if we can get it in there. Oh, that comes with a bit of persuasion. Like a glove. Look at that. What's that copper off that, eh? I'll knock them TVRs off when I get over there. Let's get it down there out of the way. That microwave dropped down from off there, look. I wonder what it bloody was. Pop it in there, will it? No. Too much. That's all on, guys. Let's go and get some more tat. Got my camera on, is that okay? Yeah, it's only for my channel. Yeah, give us 2 bikes. Nice little bikes. I'll have them on. You gonna ride one, Maz?
I can let him ride one. Yeah.
Have that one for us. And I'll put the bar straight.
Okay.
This one looks a beaut. I might use that myself. We just had this scrap. 2 push bikes. Look at that Crowder one, look. A dirty old cooker.
No.
Proper state inside that one. Let's go and get some more tat. Right, we just picked this other cooker up. We have this on loaded. Let's go and get some more tat. We ain't far off finishing now. I'm going to drop them bikes off and go. And I'll get the video uploaded. Catch you in a minute. We got a bit more here, guys. Another town, another bit of scrap. Look at that. God, that's a good frame, mate. Drop a front wheel on that. Hydraulic brakes on it, I think. Yeah, hydraulic brakes. I think anyway, I don't know, but but we'll have this on. Get on there. Let's go and get some more tat. We got a bit more scrap here, guys. A pump off some earth and some brass. We'll take it. Bit of iron alley. Lovely jubbly. Get on. Let's go get some more, eh? See if we can fill this truck today. Right, we got a bit more. It's a toolbox. Is it a full one? Is it an empty one? We'll soon find out. Let's have a look. Come on, there's got to be a few tools in it for old scrappy chappy. Oh, nothing in it. Come on. Let's go and get some more tat, eh? Right, we've got some more, guys. Nothing exciting, but it always. Let's have a look. Some chairs. I even took the backs off them, look. Oh. What's got that? Someone's got it. Get over there. There we go. I'll probably be able to snap them up later. One more. Different village. More tact. Let's have a look around, eh, guys, and see what we can get. Catch you in a minute. Out with the scrap here. This is going to fill my truck up. Absolutely lowered. Look at all that. Happy days, eh? Another tapman watching. Nearly.
There to have a look.
Right, guys. The way it goes, my man. I've got a bit of carrying to do, but hey, it don't matter. Because this is going to finish my load off. I thought it was going to kick off then, but hey. We'll have it all on. About getting that gap, I know, well, if I could have got right by that gap, I'd have been laughing. That's a lot of scrap, a lot of wire. Happy days. 2 microwaves. Heavy. Whatever that, man. Heavy. Oh shit. Little radiators, I think. Little rads. I don't think I'll get in this gap. I might do. Let's chuck this bit on and see if I can get in this gap. See what I got here. Make sure I'm on. Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. Because what I've got here and what I've got up there is it's a full load. Might have to get the straps out. Oh, proper buzzing. Get some more over too. Get in the gap, put my hazards on. That's better, right by it. Get all this on. Like I said, good load of non-ferrous there. And you've even got like transformers in there, there's a copper in and all stuff like that. More wire. Get it all on, sort it all out after. I mean, that is a good score. Our other tackman's going to be gutted. He stopped off, he's seen a bit more down there. He missed this. Get all the flat stuff on first. Microwaves. Oh. There's boxer. What's that in here? Loads of stuff. Screwdriver, old screwdriver sets and everything. I got my work strip in, but I ain't bothered. Quite a bit of wire. Not far off now. Let's have this on. Let's see now that feels empty. I mean heavy. What's in it? Pots and pans and what? Get on there. I know, you never know, could be silver. You never know. More wire. Oh, just that thing, guys. I'm going to chuck some more on top of there. Let's get going. Oh, we're on. We are on. Right. Been out most of the day. It's getting dark now. Last pickup. Got that stacked up. We've just collected one tumble dryer, one washing machine, another tumble dryer and a cooker. That's going to go on the back now. Get it loaded up. And we will have a full load. Happy days. Let's get it on, get it done. Let's get it weighed in. Rightio guys, that's fully loaded. Right to the back. Lovely bit of stuff. Doing a good job today. Had a busy day. But yeah. Can't complain. Nice full load. Get it weighed in the morning. Let's go and get some money. Catch you on the next one, guys.